My Scrappy is better than your old cannon. What are you talking about? My old robber is the best, and I'm the best. Oh yeah? Then, let's talk about the advantages of each turret. Good! I'm hopping too. Come on, Scrappy. Look at my cute dog. His attack speed is very fast. By the way, damage is too weak. Shut up. Look at my odd robber, classic and modern body. If you get one shot, you'll go to heaven. Damage is huge, but the attack speed is too slow like a turtle. Shut up. See, my Scrappy is the best. Isn't it ridiculous?
Hello and welcome to Brawl Talk. Let's talk about the turret.
What?
The C's turret is the best turret with a fast attack speed and powerful damage.
That's cheating. If one is good, one should be bad. That's the rule of nature, right? That's right, you cheater.
Oh, that's a little harsh. Okay, then just talk to my friend.
Oops. Sorry. I thought again. And the C turret is the best.
Be sure to subscribe